When you have Kidpower, clap your hands.
Hello there, I'm Maree and I'm ready to do some Kidpower. Are you ready to do some Kidpower? Kidpower Teddy and the gang are ready to do some Kidpower. And I think possibly, oh yes, look who have we got here. Oh, Sheepdog, hi. Are you ready to do some Kidpower? Okay. Oh, really? Okay, all right. We have somebody here with us today who needs to use their get help power. Sheepdog, I think you might need to help. Thank you, Sheepdog. This, everyone, is Kangaroo and Babyroo. Little Joey in her pocket. Now, Kangaroo got stuck here in the lockdown, and so she needed to use her get help power. And what she did to start with was she wished really, really hard that someone would help her. Can you see how hard she's wishing? Oh, she's wishing so hard. Did it work, Kangaroo? No, it didn't work. And then she decided she was feeling really upset and she used her whining power. Oh, really? I need some help. I need somewhere to stay because I can't go home and it's just so awful. Did that help, Kangaroo? Did you get help then? No. It's usually pretty hard to listen to somebody who's whining, isn't it? Okay, you agree with me, Sheepdog. So, Kangaroo wants to learn how to get help well. So Sheepdog has had some suggestions. Are you ready to try, Kangaroo? Are you going to ask Sheepdog for help? Okay, all right, you ready, Sheepdog? All right, here we go. Sheepdog's just minding his own business, doing a bit of work on the laptop. And Kangaroo came along. Excuse me, Sheepdog, I need your help. Oh, didn't Kangaroo do well? Sheepdog, I'm stuck here in the lockdown and I need somewhere to stay. Do you think I could stay with you? Oh, it was that easy, Kangaroo. Are you happy about that? Yes. Oh, and Sheepdog's looking very happy about that too. So remember, when you use your get help power, and here's your homework, next time you need help with a problem, remember to say to the person you're asking, it might be one of your adults, I need your help, in a strong, clear voice, and then tell them the whole problem. Okay, see how you get on with that. Get help power from Kidpower. Bye, everybody.
When you have Kidpower, clap your hands. When you like Kidpower, clap your hands. When you know Kidpower, have Kidpower. Like Kidpower, clap your hands.
When I hear hurting words, I throw them away. When I hear hurting words, I throw them away.